Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Devan. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and review of a Tukzer mousepad. This is not an ordinary mousepad. This has wrist rest along which has memory gel in that. So let me show you around the box. It says it has 12-month warranty and ultra smooth Lycra fabric gel mousepad. So this has the fabric of this Lycra, apparently that is very smooth. We'll see. So coming at the back, this is the colors: gray, pink, black and blue. So this is the gray variant. So Lycra fiber 2 centimeter height, comfortable to use. So the pad is 2 centimeter. Memory foam wrist rest, anti-slip rubber base. Alright, we'll see that. Material memory foam and silicone, product dimension, blah blah blah. And let's see the MRP. MRP of this is 899, but of course they write all sort of things in the MRP. You can get this for around 379 or 350. I bought this during the Amazon sale at around 379. Country of origin is Hong Kong. Alright, not China, yes. Let's see the actual thing now. Ooh, fancy packing. This type of plastic, I will try to open it, it just tears away. Okay. Definitely this is Lycra. Let me show you the back side. This is something like a sticky material and is covered with plastic. Just show you. Yeah, plastic, complete plastic, sticky plastic. This will stick to your tabletop. And this is the memory foam here. So I have just brought in a mouse just to show you how it looks. So with mouse, this is what it looks. And so when you're using it like this wrist rest at the perfect position, and this has dots. I'm not sure if it is visible. This has some dotted structure on top of that, so that will allow airflow. So I would say quite good. This will really help people with carpal tunnel and tennis elbow and all sort of things. So this is really nice, well worth spending 300 rupees on. So that's it guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and enjoy one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.